Oh, hi there. My name is Socky Yakki, and we are counting down our days to Christmas. Do you know what day it is today? Is it day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? You're right! It's day 8 of our Christmas calendar. You excited to know what good deed we're going to do today? Me too! Come on, let's find out! Okay, let's open door 8! Oh, I'm so excited! What are we going to do for day 8? Let's open it up! Oh my Oh my goodness! Oh, it's sticking! We gotta find out! Okay, here it goes! Teach something new to someone! Wow! Let me think what I'm going to teach you guys. Well, I could teach you to sing a song. Ooh, that will be so great! And also, we have a guest who will also be teaching you something new. Yay! So exciting! Oh, and today I will teach you to sing Jingle Bells. Let's sing it together. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, let's do it again. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Sing with me. Oh, what fun it is to ride one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one-horse open sleigh. Yay! Good job! Oh, that was so much fun learning to sing Jingle Bells. And now, we have our guest who will teach you a wonderful thing. Very exciting! Come on, let's go! Oh, hi! We're here with our special guest. It's Jet! Come on, guys! Let's go see Jet! Whoa!
In our last video, we learned how to draw Sonic. If you want to watch it, then go watch it if you want. But today, we're gonna make a flapping wings paper airplane. I'm just gonna try to make one. I just watched it one time, but I'll try to make it again.
Wow, that's so exciting! I want to learn how to do it. Show it to us! Yay!
So first, we're gonna fold this to here, but usually we fold that skinny, that like short side to there, but now we're gonna fold the long side down here.
You gotta make sure it's straight, right?
Yep, and then we fold it, unfold that, fold this side to there, same thing at the other side to match. Then I think we fold it down here.
Mm-hmm.
Go back.
And the
And then fold it like that.
very cool.
And fold it like that.
And then on the other side.
Then we fold it down.
Mm-hmm.
And we fold this back up
Mm-hmm.
like that. Fold this up. So far, so good. So it should look like this. Then we go back here.
Mm-hmm.
And fold this down. Then we fold this back up. And then we fold it back down there. Fold this up to like that, up to there.
Mm-hmm.
Do the same thing at the other side. Like that. Unfold that.
Mm-hmm.
And then fold it like that. You might think that we're finished, but we're not yet because you might think it's finished because how it looks right now.
Mm-hmm.
But we need to do something.
Okay.
We need to fold this like that. Do the same thing at the other side. And now we have it finished.
Wow.
So it should look like this. If you have it that it looks like this, that's fine. But because I used to do it like that, and I'm not sure if it's gonna flap its wings or not, because this is like one of my this feels like my first time folding it without the TV like this.
Wow.
I usually fold it and it looks like this, but I'm surprised that it's not like this. Let's see if it flaps its wings and flies.
Yay! Go! Ooh, it's flying! It's flying high! you so much, Jet, for teaching us how to make a paper airplane. That was a really cool paper airplane. I had so much fun. And now it's time to remember and think about the things that make us happy and grateful. And today, I'm grateful for the ability to learn new things and the ability to teach others new things. Oh, was such a nice and wonderful day. All right, everybody. Until next time. Bye.